Hi Professor, this is me Jeevan. This is my video demonstration for Cloud Integration Project 1 to verify that this is my account. Here you can see my ODL user account. So first let me show you my two resource group that I created in two regions, East US and West US. Now let me show you the virtual network that I have created in both East US and West US. Let me go to virtual network R1. So this is in the assigned address space, and virtual network D2 is also on the assigned address space. Now to show you the assigned IP address space for me, you can see here Shrestha Jeevan. This is the assigned IP address. Here resource group 1 acts as a head office containing the storage and VPN gateway, and the second one, which is in which acts as simulates as a remote user location. Then to secure a connection, I have deployed a virtual network gateway named Jeevan VPN gateway, where I used SKU as VPN gateway 1 and for authentication I did not use simple passwords. Instead I implemented a point to site configuration using the certificate based authentication. Here I generated a root certificate which is uploaded here in Azure Gateway. Let me show you the root certificate. So this is the root certificate, and I also generated a child certificate which is installed directly on the user VM. This ensures that the tunnel is encrypted and only the authorized devices can connect. For this, let me go to my PM. I'm already in the client PM. I connected it by RDP. Here you can see the child certificate. I already installed this one. This client is located in West US region. To show that, let me go to the virtual machines. Here you can see this is running in West US with the public IP, this one, and the assigned private IP. Now to show that the connections are established from the both sides, let me show you. Here it's connected to virtual network R1, and to show the connection from the Azure, let me go to the Azure portal and in VPN gateway point to site connections. So here this shows that they are connected from both sides, from both ends. Connection time and duration seconds shows that. Now let me go to my client PM. So to make this connection work, I downloaded the VPN client VPN from the Azure portal and installed it. And because of this connection, I was able to map the Azure files here. For to map the drive, I downloaded the script from portal and ran it via PowerShell. So to show that I got the drive, let me, here you can see these are the files, folder and another restored files which is currently empty. Then for the second part of the project, I implemented a backup plan. Here let me go to the backup hold and backup policies. I have set the policy as Jeevan backup policy. Here you can see I set the frequency at daily at 11 p.m. Eastern time. This ensures that the system checks the date every single night. Then I used a retention tags to handle the rules. Under the weekly, I selected the Friday with a retention of 3 weeks, and under monthly, I selected a day-based approach, the last day of the month with a retention of 10 months. Now to demonstrate the live disaster recovery scenario, let me go to my backup policies, backup items, Azure storage. view details. Right now I'm going to into the manual backup. So let me click the backup term, then select OK. It will take few minutes. Once the backup has been completed, we did it manually. Now to demonstrate the recovery, let me go to my client PM, then delete one of the file. Let me delete this file. Delete. Since this file already has been backed up, then let me go to here. Now here are two options: restore share and file recovery. If I do restore share, it's gonna make the image of the whole drive. So whole drive is going to be backed up. So for right now I'm going to use the another options. Here I'm going to use the file recovery. I'm only going to recover the deleted file, so I'm going to select here, select it. Here's the latest time, backup created, restore point. So I'm click this OK, and alternate location. I'm going to select this rest6 files. Now I'm going to give the location folder name where I'm going to restore the file, restore underscore file. So I'm going to add the file that I want to restore. This one was the deleted file, so select and then click restore. Now it's gonna take some time. Let's just wait for a few minutes. So yeah, I've got the notification showing the restoration is completed. Now let me go to the client VM. Desktop, let me refresh it. Files, here in this 6 folder there is only one file, and the recovered files should be in restore underscore files. Here you can see for test the file has been recovered under this folder. So the extra recovery steps is done. Let me also do the other way using restore share, restore point, the latest time, OK, and alternate location. I'm gonna select the folder and just restore files, and I'm gonna do restore, so it will also take some time. So this has also been done. Now let me go to the client VM. Here yeah, I got that. So here on another restore files, as you can see, the one that I restored it before. Now again, when I did the restore share, I got restored the whole drive, as you can see here, and the restore file is in here. So this completes my demonstration. So to conclude, this project successfully demonstrated a secure hybrid connectivity solution using Azure VPN and a compliant backup strategy using recovery services files. The biggest challenge that I faced was calculating the subnets correctly to avoid IP overlap between the regions. So this was my demonstration. Thank you.